seen out of K-Series, guys. Got Johnny, Phil's car. Both similar setups. Hybrid racing versus Skunk 2 Cold Air. Got the same full race. ASP header in John's. Alpha header in Phil's. Some of the sickest runs I've ever seen, man. Dude, that was sick.
Wait.
Yeah.
Like, man, we were pretty much even. It's hard to tell,
yeah,
dude.
yeah.
Oh, you guys are gonna have to run it without Big Gerb, man. And then, were you shocked on the results?
Sorta. You know, I knew he had a lot of newer, you know, a newer motor in his car, and I was just, you know, wanting to see how everything would go. So,
You say she still got it in her,
man,
dude.
She still got it. You know, when he was in the car with me, he was, you know, we'd kept neck and neck most of the time.
Right.
But then when he was in the car with him, I actually able to pull on him pretty
Yeah, it's all weight. So that's why it truly makes a difference, man, when you got a passenger and when you don't. So stay tuned for more racing, guys. Content out here is going to be crazy. I've only been here for a week and it's been so much fun, guys. There's going to be more racing. He's going to be uploading shit to his channel.
But not bad for old man, that's what Gerb saying. Finding it funnier than I am, that's the problem.
Yeah.
Cool. It's cool you get your number?
No, I have a girlfriend. No, I'm kidding, bro. I'm kidding. Come on, Phil, you don't know my number? You call me every fucking day. You used to call me every day,
I don't even know my wife's number, dude.
I feel hot.
I know mine.
Now I feel...